Hey, YouTube. Oh, excuse my mess again. I got some heavyweight cells. 38 120s, 8,000 milliamp, or 8 amp hours. Yeah. And a Daly 10 amp BMS. I'm gonna torture test, see what it can handle without blowing it up, hopefully. I haven't had any look out of these things lately. Tried a couple off of eBay. Brand new, never hooked to anything, and either puff smoke or don't work at all. But if you guys know of anywhere to get a good BMS at a decent price, leave a link in the comments. Be greatly appreciated. Those Apex BMS, they're nice. They look nice, but I haven't had any luck with them. Crack open my big box. My tester up. I may look it up to the computer later and see what the stats look like, but as of right now, I'm not worried about it. I'm just testing the BMS. It's on. Here's the cookie. Alright. Here is the, I don't know if you can see that. Lithium iron phosphate 4S 12 volt BMS. It is 10 amp discharge with balance and a 5 amp charge. Common port. And I don't know why it looks like that on camera, but it's at 14.05, sorry. 2 amps right there. Let's crank it up to, well, let's crank that down to like 12, I guess. Well, let's do 11 since I'm already there. And the amps, we'll crank that up. It's a 10 amp BMS, so I'm going to go at 10 first and see what it does. Alright, 10 amp cutoff voltage is 11. The voltage dropped pretty quick. Wow. It's pulling 10 amps, but it already dropped to 12.9. It's getting hot. Not hot yet. Might be pretty good then. $12.69. 12.67. Well, that's 10 amps. It's not even getting warm. Crank it up, so. Leave that at 11, but let's see. 15. See if it overheats or cuts off. Sorry about the lighting. I forgot to turn one of my lights on. Fan on the discharger kicked on. It dropped to 12.35. I'm still not warming it. That's crazy. This is my first Daly BMS. Heard a lot of people talk crap about them. And so far, it's a winner. There's another Apex Gold. Was it 3-cell 60? I can't remember. But this is I believe it's a 3-cell 60 inch. I haven't tried yet. The other one burned up. Anyway, need to find a good reliable source for BMS because I'm always building batteries, but you know, it's hard to find a good one. I actually have found a good, don't even know what brand it is. It's unbranded. 100 amp BMS that's actually pretty good. I use it in my 220 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery, and I've pulled over 100 amps off of it, and it's been fine. Got 2 cooling fans on it, a thermal switch, and 2 heat sinks. It came with just the board and a real thin aluminum cover. So they're built like to where the components can handle the power, but they can't dissipate heat, so that's what usually kills them. So I added some heat sinks and some fans, and it's been really good for close to a year. I got 12.23, 15 amps. And it's still not warm. Now I forgot to get my temperature gun. I forgot to get it out. I don't know whether I'll be able to get it right off here. Next time I'll be more prepared over. It's just on the fly. .23, 15 amps, 863 milliamps. That's all it's pulled at 15 amps. That don't seem right. It's just now like getting up at room temperature. So let's crank it up to 20. Why not? Oh yeah. I like how it slowly goes up to 20. You don't just hit it with 20 right off the bat. Voltage dropped to 12.02. So far, I'm really digging that thing. Shadow. That's 20 amps. And it dropped down to 11.9. And it's not even hot, like, at all. So, yeah. And that claims to be a 10 amp BMS. So I dug out my temp gun. See how hot that thing gets. That's pretty toasty. 120. That BMS barely warm. That's at 20 amps. See how hot that water is. Good Lord. 60. It's still climbing up, but still. It's just barely warm to the touch. It's 20.01 amps. 3,000 milliamps taken out, 11.75 volts. Appreciate you guys. If you know where I can find a good BMS, let me know.